Comment ça va? Students, today we are going to do Enchanté 2, leçon premier. So, Enchanté deuxième, second book, and chapter leçon premier. Okay? Belle Zimash. Belle Zimash. Let's recall the previous grammar and the pronunciation. See, your first letter is ending with the consonant. Immediate, the second word is voyelle. So you will read it like bel zimash here. So how it is? Bel zimash, bel zimash. Okay, there is no pause. Pause. We will read the chapter after doing the vocab and the other grammar exercise so that you can understand it better. Okay. First of all, students, let's learn le pluriel they know. Okay. Le pluriel they know. So plural with no change. Okay. When your plural is has no change, number one rule, if your noun is ending what like le no est terminé par s, x, x, z, z. So when your noun is ending with s, x, z, then there is no change. Just learn it. Okay, let's see. Le, bus, c ending s, no change. Only le, la is converted into le because let's recall le is singular masculine, la femina singular, and what is the plural of both of them? It is le. And if it is vowel singular, then this, but the plural is same. Okay, right? So that's why la, le. So la, la, le. But here, no change. This is the first rule. Got it? Let's move. Plural by adding s. The second step is you have to add just s as we do same in English, right? So what you will do? Plural of la, la and lay is lay. Plural of un is they. That is also we have done. Let's recall un masculine singulier, un feminine singulier, and the plural of them is they. Okay, it's this is un. Okay, see un, they, un, they. Now with if it is not ending with s, x, z, then normal you have to put just s in case of plural. See, done. This is the second step. The third step is when you have ending al or ail, that will be changed into in plural. Do not add s, but you have to add x, o. That is the rule. So when your verb is ending with al or ail, you have to change it to aux. This is the rule, same. Okay, just remember this, right? Move to the next. Now, I have told you when it is ending with al, then we use aux. But here, these are exceptions. Un bal, des bal. So here we are adding s. Ce sont des exceptions. So these are exceptions. Un bal, un carnival, un festival, un récital. Okay. Next is when you have a u. Third step a u, a u. Then you have to add x. How a u x here u x and o u x. Okay. Let's see the example. See, gato x o x a u. So a u also a u x o u o u x. These are the examples. Okay, o u. Again, there are exceptions. So there are some words like clue, coup, pneu, chou, murbleu. Ici, on va utiliser S. S. Okay? And one more thing, students, just these are the new words. Whatever new words, just memorize them. Look, we will do it in the grammar exercises. But also, if any word is you don't know, just learn them. Okay? We will discuss it later. L'accord des adjectives. Another thing here is l'accord. What is the meaning of l'accord? Student, l'accord means if your subject is masculine, your adjective is masculine, singular. Okay. If your subject is femina, singular, your adjective should be femina, singular. And same in case of plural. If these two are plural, then these two should be in plural. Got it? This is called l'accord. Means you have to agree with your subject, with the adjectives, right? Let's see an example. How to make, first of all, adjective male to female that we have already learned as well. So masculine singular pati. To make these three into femina, just add e. Means in French we say oh, that is femina. Second is if already ending with a, then there will be no change. All these are adjectives. Okay. Third rule is if your you, okay, this is for the adjective. For plural, we add x, but this is not plural. I'm talking about change into feminine. So when it is you, it is changing into l. Example: beau, belle, nouveau, nouvelle. Okay. Then there are some irregular adjectives, so that you have to memorize. Bon, bon, ancien, ancienne, gros, grosse, bas, basse, gentil, gentille. Got it? So these are exceptions, you have to learn them. Okay. Now, how to make adjectives plural? It is just add s. Okay. If there is already s or x, then there will be no change. That will remain same. And this we have already done EAU X to change it. Okay. Now here is the exception. Let's see. VU. Student, VU means old. So whenever somebody is old, we use VU. See, it is masculine singular. If I wanna say il est vieux, he's old, I can use this. Okay. If I wanna say, see, vieux, okay. You can make anything. Vieux logement. Okay, so it is saying old logement. Logement means where do you stay? Where you stay. Okay, it can be anything. So logement is a place where you stay. So I want to say that is old logement. So vieux logement. Can you see logement is masculine, right? So with masculine, I am using this vieux. Masculine singulier vieux. Got it? Now masculine singulier avec voyelle. Students, if your noun is starting with vowel, okay, then you have to use this. Let's see an example. See, here no vowel, that's why I'm using this V. Understand it, right? Now, if it is wheel, I want to say Om. Om is a man, so I won't say old man. Students, mute, H is mute, O is vowel. So if it is vowel, I'll use this V. If you will say VL logement, this is wrong. If you say masculine singular, I'll use this. This is wrong because with vowel, you will use this. Okay. To make it, this is understood. To make it plural, for plural, what we will do? For plural, we will do X and it is same because already X, no change. Okay. For familiar, learn the spellings. Here, whether it is may vowel or not, you will use only one for female, and this is female plural. So this one is the exception in here. One more example, I'll let you know about this. See, let's say bow. Okay, bow is like handsome. So if I wanna say beau garçon, garçon masculine singulier, it is not starting with vowel. That's why I'm using this beau. But what about if I wanna say rather than garçon, I want to say handsome man. Om. Again, om, H mute, starting with vowel. Vowel, I'll use bell. Okay, so here I'll not use this book because here is a vowel. This is bellum. This will not come. Understood? Bellum. To make it plural, EAU, if ending is EAU, what is the plural? X. Okay, and then femina, bell, and feminine plural, bell, 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 farm. Okay, like this. Got it? So it can be anybody. Bow, bell, bow, bell, bell. Understood this? Very important. Okay, let's do one more example so that it should be feed in your mind accurately. Nouveau. I'll use different color. Mm-mm. Nouveau. Masculine singular. If इसके बाद जो noun use कर रहे हैं वो masculine singular है. D'accord? Nouveau. But if it is feminine, then you will use nouvelle. For plural, nouveau. Femina, nouvelle. And plural, nouvelle. Got it? Right? अब यहाँ पे example देखो. If I want to say nouveau logement. Okay. So nouveau logement, masculine noun starting with vowel, nouveau logement. Is it okay? Right? Another thing is nouvelle. Now where it will come, let's take an example. I want to check masculine singular starting with vowel. Let's take an example. Appartement. So appartement is masculine. Okay, this will not come. Appartement is masculine starting with vowel. Here it will come nouvelle. Okay, this one. Vowel starting with vowel. Like noun which is starting with vowel. Is it okay? So that's why I am using that one. Okay. The next one is uh, nouveau plural because it is EAU, then EAU X. Okay. Write it clearly. Nouvelle. Appartement. Appartement. Okay. Nouveau, then feminine, then plural. I hope this you understood. Okay, any doubt, just message me. Next is list adjective. There are all meanings, just mug it up. Very important vocabulary learning. See, if you learn this properly, you're able to understand each and everything. Let's see the pronunciation. This is masculine singulier, feminine singulier. Grand, grand. Okay. Petit, petite, épais, épaisse, mince, mince, gros, grosse, ancien, ancienne, nouveau, nouvelle, jeune, jeune, vieux, ville, gentil, gentille, méchant, méchante, aimable, aimable, long, long, court, courte, intéressant, intéressante, ennuyeux, ennuyeuse, heureux, heureuse, Triste, triste, sympathique, sympathique, antipathique, antipathique, souriant, souriant, haute, bas, basse, large, large, formidable, formidable, bête, bête, fort, fort. Page numéro 17. Right? Let's do next. Le vocabulaire. Again, this is the vocabulary to learn. Calme, cher, l'ambiance, l'animal, l'eau, la bibliothèque, la croix, la leçon, la crime, la souris, le bal, le bâton, le carnaval, le clou, le cou, le joujou, le journal, le pneu, le prix, le récital, le restaurant, le travail, le trou, le vitrail, les bijoux, les couvertures, les deux coups. Okay? So once you have learned, then it is very easy to understand the vocab. So here I am teaching you the pronunciation of this. Learning is your part, students, so that you can learn it well. Then there is exercise, but before the exercise, we will read the lesson. Okay? So before reading the lesson, you can pause and learn all the vocab thoroughly. So might be it's okay. 50% learn, 60% learn, because at a time एकदम से नहीं याद होगा. Second day again do the repetition. So when you do repeat, 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 then it will be learn. So don't be obsessed कि मुझे अभी learn करना है. It's okay. The first time you are learning, you have learned only 20%. It is fine. So it is okay to forget. Okay, but with the repetition, just mug it up with the passage of time. Let's read this. C'est un, see leso, because there is a consonant and vowel. C'est un bon restaurant. Means if you want to say c'est un bon restaurant means किसी भी चीज को आपको अच्छा कहना है. तो you can say c'est un bon restaurant. Okay. Dans le restaurant, अब रेस्टोरेंट में क्या है? Il y a des tables noires. Okay, table noir. See color after the noun. The belle couverture, blanche. So couverture are these covers. ठीक है? How it is belle? सुंदर है, ब्लॉन्च. और कौन सी कलर के? ब्लॉन्च. स्टूडेंट नोट, table प्लूरल, कलर प्लूरल, couverture प्लूरल, plural feminine. Avec une ambiance. So, what is the ambience there? Une ambiance très calme. Okay. So, with a très calme ambiance. Clear? So, learn the grammar with this. I just want to explain this part. Okay, let me rub this first to make it clear. This one. Can you see this? Right? It should be. The student can ask the question, ma'am, it is plural. Why they are using they? Like there are some students, and this is a very good question asked by the student. They bell over you. Okay. Plural femina, plural femina. Here they are using the. Why? Students, this is the rule. This is your noun, right? When your adjective is before the noun. Can you see? See, noir after the noun. Okay, color after the noun. After the noun, color. But there are some adjectives which you use before the noun. So when these adjective comes, your they is changed into the. Just remember this. Got it? Right? So you have to learn what are they and what are those adjectives. We will learn this in lesson. Okay? Right now, I have just explained. This will come later in your syllabus. Okay, just understand why we use the. Let's do this. Now they are explaining. Oh, so these are me. So these are friends. Le garçon est gros. Now see the size of garçon grow. Okay. A mino. Mino is when you somebody, oh, so cute. You can say mino. Okay. And size of girl is men's. So grow, opposite of grow is men's. Okay. Because this is grow and this is, she is men's. Okay. Now she is also cute. Minon. So for femina, you will use minon. Les deux sont très. Now, if you want to say both of them, yeah, दोनों जने बड़े अच्छे हैं। सो एक जस्ट लर्न दिस, ले दे द आफ्टर दैट प्लूरल वर्ब, ले द सो दोनों कैसे हैं, très amusant, amusant is like English word है ना, ए aimable is lovable, so both ले दो यहाँ पे आता है, both are very cute and amusing. Okay, done. Let's do next. C'est une grande bibliothèque. Bibliothèque, can you see this is known as bibliothèque? In French, we say it's bibliothèque. Okay? C'est une grande bibliothèque. Now, bibliothèque कैसी है? Grande. Okay. Let's do this part here. Now, suppose I want to make it plural. How it will be? What is the plural of say? So, right? What is the plural of you? They. Plural of grand. Plural of bibliothèque. Biblio. I have made this plural, but what is the rule? When the adjective is before your noun, your they is converted into the, then it is wrong. The sentence will be ce sont de grandes bibliothèques. Remember? Learn it. Okay. Okay. The next one is okay. Dans la bibliothèque. बिब्लियोथेक के अंदर क्या है, इलिया दे लीव्र जेपी. सो कैन यू सी दिस साइज ऑफ बुक, सी दे लीव्र जेपे. सो अगर साइज ज्यादा है चीजों का तो बच्चे आप लगाओगे एपे, पर अगर लोगों का साइज ज्यादा है जैसे मोटा तो आप लगाओगे ग्रो. ओके, सो लीव्र एपे ए मेंस, तो वहां पे एपे बुक्स भी पढ़ी हैं और मेंस भी पढ़ी हैं. सो रिमेंबर मेंस कौन थी यहाँ पे, सो मेंस विल बी सेम, बट बुक्स के लिए अगर अपनी साइज मोटा कहना है तो एपी, राइट. C'est une bibliothèque très ancienne. So this bibliothèque is très ancienne. ठीक है, ancienne. C'est un petit livre bleu. So petit livre. Again, see, if I'll make this plural, then they becomes the, because the adjective is before the noun. Il y a des leçons courtes. So in this book, क्योंकि पतित book है छोटी सी, and the lessons are very short. छोटे छोटे lessons है, court. And les leçons sont très intéressantes. और lesson कैसे हैं? Intéressant. Interesting. C'est un nouveau livre. Nouveau. So this is a new book. Nouveau. Okay. Page numero 11. Clear? Now, let's read this. Le livre est, see, le livre bleu. So the answer is bleu. Dans le restaurant, il y a des chaises noires. Let's see. Dans le restaurant, il y a des tables noires and couverture blanche. Now check table noire. This is because chaise noire, not talking about it. couverture है उसमें, लेकिन कौन सा कलर है couverture का? ब्लॉन्च. सी, couverture blanche. So this is not applicable. Des tables noires. Les deux amis sont. Les deux amis, ना तो उन्होंने बोला था कंफर्टेबल ना ट्रीज. दिस डेफिनेटली aimable et amusant. सी, les deux sont très amusants et aimables. La bibliothèque moderne नहीं थी, nouvelle भी नहीं थी, ancienne. सी, la bibliothèque très ancienne. Easy. La fille est mignonne. So feel कौन है? This one. और वो मिनॉन थी. Yes, मिनॉन. So la fille est mignonne. Okay, so here, okay, we will not this way. La bibliothèque est très moderne. We have already done ancienne. So, oh. Il y a de belles couvertures blanches dans le restaurant. Vrai. See? De belles couvertures blanches. Exactly the statement matches. Vrai. Okay. Les leçons du livre sont ennuyeuses. Ennuyeux students होता है boring. तो lessons boring थे नहीं. Les leçons sont très intéressants. ठीक है. And here you will use okay, clear? Right? Completely les phrases avec un adjective donné à la page 10. So, page number 10 pe, they have given adjectives. Where is page number 10? Mm-mm, mm-mm. We might be wrong page number they mentioned. Here is new page number 10. We will do it by ourselves. J un dash mezo. Mezo बच्चे घर होता है, हाउस. जे वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन अवर. सो मेरे पास एक घर है. कैसा घर है हमने एडजेक्टिव देना है. यू कैन राइट बेल. यू कैन राइट ग्राउंड. ओके. फेमिनिन सिंगुलर. मॉ फ्रैर ए. सो मेरा भाई, फ्रैर होता है भाई. मॉ फ्रैर ए, मेरा भाई कैसा है. यू कैन राइट एनी ऑफ देम. ग्रो लिख सकते हैं, मोटा है. पतला लिख सकते हो, मेंस है. एनी ऑफ देम यू कैन राइट. मॉ फ्रैर ए. एल पॉट रॉब. एल पॉट इन रॉब. In rob, let's see which is suitable. In rob noir, use you can use color. So this is very subjective. You can fill anything which is suitable. Noir. So it should be singular because my rob is feminine singular. Ilya yun dash fee dollar class. Ilya yun bell fee. सुंदर सी लड़की है क्लास में. बेल यू कैन यूज. ले रीम. रीम बच्चे होते हैं राइमिंग. सौ त्रै यू कैन राइट बोरिंग. अन्वीय और यू कैन राइट एंथ्रेसो. ओके. एंथ्रेसो. राइट. So this is page numero dos. Let's do next. This we have already done. Okay, let's do it quickly. Setune femme. Femme means women. So setune belle femme. Okay. LA tre. See, ours. You have to see which is more suitable. LA tre ours भी हो सकता है, grand भी हो सकता है. Now see next word. We will find the suitable. L travail. So she works. काम करती है. दोनों dash entreprise. Entreprise is the company. Ours entreprise नहीं हो सकता है. Formula grand आएगा यहाँ पे. So definitely here it become grand. L aspire. Aspire बच्चे होता है wish, hope. L aspire. So उसकी hope है या वो wish करती है to become. क्या बनना चाहती है. शेफ. बच्चे शेफ यहाँ पे कुकिंग वाला शेफ नहीं होता है. दिस इज कोई भी आप मैनेजर लेवल पे या हाई लेवल पे हो तो आप शेफ बोलेंगे. तो वो बॉन्क की क्या बनना चाहती है. शेफ. एल एस्पेर एथ्रो शेफ de la bonk. सेत्युन ईदे. अब वो आइडिया क्या है. अरस तो नहीं होगा. फॉर्मिदाब्ल. फॉर्मिदाब्ल होता है वंडरफुल आइडिया. फॉर्मी एले त्रै. हियर कम्स अरस. ओके. Let's do next. Okay, donner le pluriel des suivants. Des noms suivants. Les oiseaux. EAUX आ जाएगा. Okay. Le journal. That will be les journaux. La souris. So when it is ending with AL, we are using AUX. Right? EAUX. Okay. La souris. Same. I told you if it is S, no change. Les souris. Z, no change. Les ne. Le true. That is exception. Otherwise, OU, we use X, but this is exception. Le true. Okay. Then a carnival. A. Now see, I have told you when it is AL, right? We use O. But this is exceptional. We use S. It is already given in your book. They choose. They crua. So crua students already ending with S. No change. They crua. For they travail. They because AIL changes into AUX. Let's do this quickly. Plural. Ilia. The plural of Ilia is Ilia. Or they. Livre avec S. Blanc. Masculine plural. Okay. Ilia. They livre blanc. Labre. What is the plural? Lay. Zabre. So student arbre means trees. So trees are green. Les arbres sont. Verb will be plural and color will be plural. The first sentence is il y a des livres blancs. So there are white notebooks. Okay. C'est une. What is the plural of say? Ce sont des leçons, leçons intéressants. Okay. Just put S here. Intéressant. Okay. Le garçon. Okay, I'll do there. Les garçons sont beaux. Okay. La femme, it will be les femmes aim. Now plural. If my subject is plural, my verb will be plural. Aim les gâteaux. EAU ending, we will use X. Okay. C'est to, ce sont des animaux. Okay, plural. Météo singulier, now make it singulier. C'est un travail. Il a un joujou. We should know which is masculine. We will use en. So joujou is masculine. En. Travail masculine. En. Les leçons sont difficiles. La singular leçon without s. Et difficile. Okay. Vous finissez. Finir verb. Singular will be tu. Fini verb will also change. Le masculine gâteau. Les oiseaux chantent. L'oie because it is vowel. L'oiseau chante. Singular verb. Il y a un souris dans la chambre. So there is a mouse in the chambre. Student, suri is also used, means this is mouse which you use in computer, that is also, but also an animal name. So here it is an animal name. Okay. Next is femina. La fille est petite. E. C'est une. See, étudiant, masculine noun starting with vowel, we are using belle. But for female, we will use belle. Étudiant. Le père, la mère. Père is father, mother. The verb will also change, feminine. Gentil, l'oncle, uncle. La tante et intéressant. Make it feminine by adding e. Elles sont sympathiques. Elles sont sympathiques. La grand-mère est belle. Okay, that we have to make masculine. Elle est belle. For masculine, il est beau. La fille, le garçon est sympathique is the same spelling. Okay, les amis masculine. Okay, les amis, so it is masculine plural. E नहीं आएगा. Sont heureux. This is masculine noun. Heureux means the friends are happy. Ils sont gentils. C'est un gros home. So this is a fat man. Tu es grand, grand, tu es grand. Right? Contraire, opposite, antipathy. Vieux is old, then it is nouveau. Heureux, heureux is happy. So triste. Intéressant, ennuyeux. Okay, it is using feminine, then I will use also feminine. Ennuyeux, long, court, bromance, petite, grande, bas, haut. Bas होता है like low. So haut means height. Okay, O. Choisissez le bon adjectif. Okay, grand, petit, you can, whatever suitable. I think petit, this is épais, this is ancien. Uh, long or court? Mm, 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 mm. So, long. Mettez l'adjectif à la forme convenable. Le livre est jaune. Stephanie et Lisa, both are girls. Use souriante, femina, plural. Okay, c'est une nouveau. The feminine of nouveau we have already done, students. Nouvelle bibliothèque. Les filles sont filles. Feminine plural. First of all, make it feminine and then plural. La leçon est ennuyeux. La leçon féminin, this is masculine, make it femina. Ennuyeuse. Okay. Seto Batmo. Oh, this is like we have already discussed bo, but my noun is starting with vowel. I will use this. Bel. Seto bel appartement. Varun aime le chat noir, masculine noun. Les oiseaux sont l'oiseau, masculine, plural. So it should be noir. Seto, again, this is vowel starting with noun starting with vowel. I will use wheel. Seto, we home. La souris est méchant, la souris est méchant. Now la souris femina, so it will be feminine by adding e. So this is page numéro 21. 10th, remplissez les blancs avec les adjectifs de couleur. C'est une feuille verte. So it is feminine plural. Oh, sorry, feminine singular, feminine color. C'est un chien. You can use any color marron. Okay. C'est un papier blanc. C'est un pneu noir. Ce sont des tables bleues. So table féminine बनाओ फिर plural. Ce sont des jupes roses. Feminine plural. Okay. Écoutez, so this is your listening activity. 25. France, je t'aime, I love you, France. The name France comes from the Latin word Francia, which means country of the Franks. Okay. And then Louis Pasteur was a first French scientist who made many discoveries in the fields of chemistry and microbiology. Le Palais de l'Élysée is the residence of the President of the French Republic since 1848. Source Wikipedia. French cars are famous all over the world. Some of the very famous, you know, students very well these cars. TGV train à grande vitesse, very fastest train in the world. This is the speed in this year. Okay, then Corse is an island in the Mediterranean Sea belonging to France. Vingt-trois page. I hope you understood this. Okay, and thoroughly do this video, watch this video, make notes, and you will understand everything. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir, mes étudiantes. À bientôt.